must accept that I'm a little out my mind. Step 2, this is a waste if you can't walk me down the finish line. Step 3, give me passion. Don't make fun my fashion. Step 4, give me more, more. If you can't handle a heart like mine, don't waste your time with me. If you're not down to bleed, no, oh. If you can't handle the choking, the biting, the loving, the smothering until you can't handle it no more, no more. Go home. Can we just be honest? These are the requirements. If you think you can be my one and only true love, you must promise to love me. And damn it, if you fuck me over, I will rip your fucking face apart. High school sweethearts, light up. They're trying to waste my time. High school sweethearts, shut up if you're not my type. High school sweethearts, light up. They're trying to waste my time. High school sweethearts, shut up if you're not my type. We both like apple cider.